Hi, before I start, I like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Nadia, and for this video, I would like to talk about working culture in Brazil. Personally, I know Brazil's country since I was child because I always played guess the name of country with my friends back then. Therefore, I am familiar with the name of Brazil. So hence, let me talk about Brazil. So Brazil is considered a Latin American country, but it is important to highlight the nation has differently characteristic as compared to other Latin American countries. So Brazil was originally colonized by Portugal and remained affiliated with its country until 1865. Therefore, the country still demonstrates many tributes derived from its Portuguese heritage, including its official language, and in terms of economy, it also motivated under Portuguese influences, which is flexibility, tolerance, and commercialism. Not to forget, Brazil is extremely multicultural country, but still there's a lot more about Brazil when it comes to the world of business. So let me proceed to the next part. The first thing that we need to know in Brazil's world of business is Brazilian business people tend to have a relaxed work ethic whereby they view time in a very relaxed manner. So punctuality is not considering an important manners in Brazil. So do not be surprised if business meetings begin anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes late after the scheduled time because Brazil culture tend to not be governed by the clock. So in fact, the people are very good natured, but they tend to avoid competing among each other, yet they like to struggle when it comes to business. So next, in Brazil, physical contact is acceptable as a form of communication among Brazil business people. They tend to stand very close to each other when having a conversation and will touch the person's back, arm or elbow as a greeting or a sign of respect. For instance, the greetings that involving women, they like to kiss both cheeks, meanwhile the men usually like to handshake with each other. In addition, when it comes to business in Brazil, do not get right down to business because that is not the style in Brazil. So in beginning, you can chat about something else such as football, family, or praise the Brazil's beautiful scenery and appreciate the country's rapid growth. Also somehow avoid topics such as religion, age, or salary. This whole process we call it as the art of conversation, and not forget don't do the okay sign in Brazil because it's considered rude there. Next, appearance can be very important to Brazil culture as it will reflect both you and your company when conducting business. So when conducting business, men should wear suits. Meanwhile, women also can wear suits or dress, but do not wear something unappropriated such as casual t-shirt with flip-flops or short pants. Other than that, fashion is key when managing business in Brazil because sometimes the processes of negotiations are longer and more drawn out than in other cultures. Therefore, try your best to catch up with the process and do not expressing frustration or impatience or attempting to speed up the procedure because you may lose the deal. And lastly, be prepared when presenting about your business. The presentation should be informative, expressive, and consistency because Brazil business people like to bring a lot of people to attend negotiations, including members of higher management. They mostly like to observe and learn about the meeting's agenda and they want to know more about who they are doing business with. So it is important to be prepared so that you can answer the plenty question about your company. So to conclude, if you follow these do's and don'ts of doing business in Brazil, which are to have relaxed work ethic, physical contact as form of communication, not rushing in doing the business and others, it will give benefits or advantage for your company to be acknowledged and will having a stable business in that country. So until then, thank you for listening my talk about working culture in business. So bye.